What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it. First video of 2020, and we're going to start it off with a brand new pickup, a brand new unboxing. First sneaker pickup of this year. We have it right here. We're gonna open up these bad boys. These literally just came in today, and yeah, first time looking at this pair. Pretty excited to finally have these in hand in the collection. And boom, started off, open the box, and you see that shiny box right there, Nike swoosh right there in this silver metallic box. We'll get these bad boys out. Boom, took them out, nothing else in the box, throw that away. And here we have it. If you guys know, you know. We have a silver shiny ass shoebox. Look at that. You can see like the reflection and shit. But yeah, we have a black swoosh right there. If you guys know, you know what these shoes are. There's holes on the box. Obviously Nike and your size tag right there. And if you know, you know. But which colorway is it? Open up the box. You have this yellow orange type tissue paper right there. Bam. And let me take the shoes out and show you guys. And bang, we have the off-white Dunk Low in the Michigan colorway. This colorway I really fuck with. Obviously there was 3 colorways. There was this one, this kind of like Michigan colorway, that gold yellow and the navy blue. We also had a red with gray, and I think it was green and white. Obviously this is a Dunk Low, and Virgil did his thing on these. Obviously the first thing you see is this orange lace system going on the shoe. It's different, I like it. But obviously you do have your like your normal lace system going on right here with the navy blue laces, and it says shoelaces in gold yellow. But then you have these, like, I don't even know what to call these like orange rope type laces, and it goes around the whole shoe. I don't even know how I'm gonna tie this up. And obviously you have an orange tab right there. And then your tongue, it has that exposed foam on it as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bam. And then your insoles, you have this Nike swoosh and with like off-white branding right there. And obviously on the inside of the shoe you have that off-white branding right there. It's like Nike off-white, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985 right there. You can't kind of see it because it's like on the navy blue, but you can kind of see it. But you have that there. And obviously you have the signature tag. This time is in this kind of like white milky tag color. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. It's Dunk Low, just with a little pizzazz that Virgil did on these, and it's a dope shoe in my opinion. Even the box is dope. Like, when do you ever see this, a silver shiny ass box? Like, what the fuck? But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. My first pickup of I was about to say 2019. My first pickup of 2020 off-white Dunk Lows. Add those bad boys to the collection. And I do have something else coming, so stay tuned. I'll make a video on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.